Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your AI text sound more human. So this is a great technique to be familiar with if you're working in something like the marketing industry where your content is heavily reliant on sounding natural and sounding like an actual human made it. Or you might be a student who just needs to bypass a few AI detectors to help with their work, and this is how you would do it. So I'm signed into Gemini right now. I'm just gonna write a quick little prompt here. So I hit enter, and here is the output. So if we read through it, whether you are conquering a high altitude trail or navigating a packed workday, the Airstream, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy paste this. It already looks really good right now. But again, these LLMs tend to follow a certain pattern or formula that gets detected by AI detectors. So I'm just going to copy and paste this into a humanizer app. So the one I'm using is called GPT Human. You can access this by going to the website gpthuman.ai and sign in. It's totally free, although there are some subscription benefits if you ever need them. So I've pasted them in and I'm just going to click on Humanize. You can also fine tune your settings here at the top, whether you want to change the tone, the level of expertise that is, or the mode, which determines how original and human-like your output should be. Looks like there was a quick error, so I'm just going to click on Humanize once again, and here you have it. So there are a few stats here at the top right that you can see. There's a human score, which is basically how likely it is to bypass or to be undetected by those AI detectors. The similarity, which is how similar it is to the original text, and the readability, which is how easy it is to understand your text. So here's the output. Life has a way of moving fast, be it a workday that is crammed, full, or a high altitude trail that you are set on tackling. The Aerostream 32-ounce insulated bottle is made to handle it all, etc. So compared to the original, it looks pretty similar overall in structure, but the words flow off the tongue a lot more seamlessly. Compared to the original, it's very similar, but overall, the structure is made to sound a lot more natural, a lot more human-like. It flows off the tongue a lot more naturally, which is exactly what we want to see. So that's pretty much it. All it is a few extra steps after acquiring your response. But other than that, it really isn't a hard thing to do. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.